How does an electron microscope work? Microscope is an instrument which produces magnified images of the minute objects. There are two types of microscope: I, optical, and E, electron. In an optical microscope, the object is illuminated by light. An enlarged image of the object is produced by the combination of two lenses called the objective lens and the eyepiece. The electron microscope utilizes a stream of high-speed electrons instead of a light source. It does not have glass lenses but makes use of magnetic lenses and electrostatic fields. Magnetic fields are produced by electromagnets, which are in the form of coils of wires in which flow of electric currents produces the focusing effect. The image formed by the optical microscope may be enlarged about 2,500 times the size of the object, while the magnification of an electron microscope may be up to 200 times the resolving power of the optical microscope is 3000 A, but that of an electron microscope is about 100 A. Electron microscope is used to study microorganisms such as viruses, tissues, bacteria, etc. We know that light travels in the form of waves. Similarly, waves are also associated with the moving electrons. These are known as matter waves. Electron microscope was constructed by making use of matter waves associated with electrons. Wavelength of light waves is more than that of the waves associated with electrons. Due to this reason, electron microscope has a higher resolving power as compared to optical microscope. In an electron microscope, a beam of electrons is focused onto the object. With the help of electromagnetic lenses, an enlarged image of the object is produced on a fluorescent screen. This image is photographed on a photographic film or plate. With the help of this photograph, the object's structure is studied in detail. Electron microscope is used to study very minute objects. It is a very useful instrument and generally used to study the crystal structure, cell structure, virus and bacteria. Most of the big research laboratories make use of this instrument.